Okay, it's Monday again. Monday always comes back around. Here's what I'm taking with me to work today. I am headed out for coffee, so no coffee, but I have 2 spaghetti squash egg cups for breakfast. Those are 0 smart points each. My lunch is leftover Weight Watchers chicken chili, 0 smart points. And my snack is candy apple salad, 0 smart points. So that's pretty weird, but everything is 0 points. Okay, change of plans for lunch. Why? Because I'm craving sushi. So it's a sushi day today. I'm noticing that I don't want to call it getting in a rut, but I'm really getting hooked on some favorites, like some go-to favorites for lunch and dinner. And those are obviously the salmon salad, the sushi at the restaurant by my work, and poke bowls. Like, I really haven't even had many poke bowls lately because I've been craving that salmon salad. But those are like my 3 go-to meals, like eating out, that I just crave. So all 3 of those are super, super healthy and low points meals. So that's the good news. The bad news, it's bad for my wallet. But I'm going to have sushi right now. I'll probably have, I always get at this place, I always get the super rainbow roll. It is 5 smart points for 8 pieces. And then it's super windy and cold today. It's like bad day to wear a dress. I don't know what I was thinking. I put a dress on and then I got in the car, and as soon as I got in the car, I realized it was 59 degrees. And I have this like little sheer spring summery dress with heels, and bad choice. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna have some miso soup to get myself a little warmed up. The office is really cold too. So miso soup is 1 smart point for 1 cup. So that's what I'm having. I think I had this exact lunch last Thursday. So I don't know if you guys are looking for food ideas. I'm not doing very good on the food ideas, but this is my real life. This is what I eat in a day. This is the truth, man. The truth, according to Julie. That was so delicious. I know it's a little bit of a splurge, but it was so good, so filling, so comforting, and so in my points. So I loved that. I am headed back to work. I just wanted to tell you guys I'm a little stressed right now because I found out this morning that my grandma, who is 90 years old, well, she'll be 90 in January. So my almost 90-year-old grandma fell and broke her hip yesterday, and she's having surgery today, so I'm pretty stressed. My sister, who is a physician's assistant, seems to think it's not a huge deal because she said it's just hip surgery. But my gosh, my grandma is almost 90 and she fell and broke her hip. That alone has to be like so much pain. I can't imagine. I can't imagine because I have broken a bone. I broke my wrist, so that, and this is when I was a kid, so probably the pain from the wrist to the hip, and me at that age versus the age she is, the pain is probably incomparable. So I mean, just the fact that she's probably in so much pain, or she was before she made it to the hospital. I don't even know the details of what happened, but to me that's a huge deal, you know. She's almost 90 and she has to have surgery. That is a huge deal. I don't care what kind of surgery it is. Excuse me. So I'm a little stressed right now, and that is part of why I'm getting really hooked on these restaurant meals, and I don't know, it's why I just wanted to go and relax and have a nice meal and not really think about stuff and not really think about work and have to deal with stuff. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I wonder if that's emotional eating, because I am experiencing some emotions right now, but I'm not overcompensating. Like, I'm not eating garbage, right? I'm eating healthy food for me and food that I enjoy, but I'm not treating my body poorly. And I was also hungry because it was lunchtime. So is that emotional eating when I'm hungry, I have to eat, and I'm eating food that's good for me. I don't think that's emotional eating. I am emotional, and I have to eat, so I'm eating. I don't think that's emotional eating. What do you think? Tell me down below, because I'm going back into work. Okay, here's my current dilemma, and I feel like I look terrible without lipstick. I haven't been wearing too much lipstick the last day or two because my lips are super, super dry and scaly for some reason. So I'm trying to get them healthier, and I don't know. It just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right wearing lipstick because I need like some kind of moisturizing something, and it doesn't feel right not wearing lipstick because I don't look right. Anyway, here's my dilemma. Tomorrow is boss's day, and my boss loves bonsai trees, so I am in search of a bonsai tree. It is 6:49. I stayed late tonight to get some stuff done, and now I need to go find a bonsai tree. First stop is Home Depot. Crossing my fingers. I hope they have something. We're gonna go Home Depot, Trader Joe's, Bristol Farms, Albertsons. Hopefully somebody has a bonsai tree. Yes.